Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can make a passport size photo inside of Canva. First thing we need to do is create a custom size design. So we need to change the units to be millimeters, and we need it to be 35 millimeters by 45 millimeters, and then select create new design. Now we have our design. The first thing we need to do is upload an image. So this could be an image of yourself if you're wanting to make your own passport size photo, but for this I'm just going to use one of the images within Canva. So here we can see we've got a picture that would resemble a type of passport size photo. First thing we need to do is remove the background. So Canva has an option for background remover. However, this is a Canva Pro feature. If you are not currently subscribed to Canva Pro, then select the link in the description, and this will give you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro, so you can use this feature and you can use all the other features that Canva Pro has to offer. Alternatively, you can head over to an external site, which is remove.bg, and you can upload your image, use this to remove the background, download it and upload it back into Canva. But for this one, we're going to select background remover, and there we can see now that has removed the background. Head over to file, select settings, and we need to select show margins, file and settings again, and show bleed print. That's now give us a couple of borders. Now select a square. For the stroke style, we need it to be a solid line, and we're going to change the stroke weight to be 0.5, and we're going to select the color, and we want the color to be transparent. And then now we're going to use that to make a box in between our two guidelines that we already have. So we're going to try and make that as best we can, and then select position and position that box middle and backwards. Now select the photo that you have uploaded, and we are going to increase this to match the border, and we need to just play about with the position because we want it to be central, because obviously that's how passport photos need to be. Once we're happy with that, head back over to file, settings, and we are going to turn off show margins, and we are also going to turn off print bleed. And there we can see now that's give us a lovely passport size photo. If like this one we still have the outline square, select position, go to layers, and the layer that has the box on, we're just going to delete it because we want it to be a clean, crisp image with no outlines. And now you have created the perfectly sized passport photo inside of Canva. All that's left for you to do now is select share, download your photo, download it as a PNG, and you're ready to use it. Really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to click on the link below to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days. I look forward to seeing you again soon.